Shri Gurudeva Namaha students, welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.2 question number 5. Right? I am going to read the question. You have to listen carefully, children. A flagpole H meter. AD is your flagpole. AD, right? AD is the flagpole. The diagram. Flagpole H meter is on the top of the hemispherical dome of radius R. Here your dome is BD. The radius is BD. Got it? Now, seeing the top of the pole, a man is standing 7 meter away from the dome. So, this point, it is the end point of the dome. See here, this is your end point of the dome, right? That you should label it the end point of the dome. So BDR means BF is also what? R. Then 7 meter away from the dome. That means the distance between F and E is 7 meter. The distance between F and E is 7 meter away from the dome, seeing the top of the pole at an angle 45 degree and moving away from E to C. They mentioned as 5 meter. The distance between E and C away from the dome and seeing the bottom of the pole at an angle 30 degree. Find the height of the pole and radius of the dome. What is children? Now, let first what it is given, you should understand. Based on that, you should draw the diagram. That is very important, right? Now, let AD is the be the flagpole of height H meter and BD be the radius of the dome. Radius of the dome. BF is also radius of the dome because this is the end point of the dome. From the end point, you should move away from 7 meter. That point E, right? Dome and in triangle, in right triangle, ABE, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree. Then, what is the thing? In triangle, which triangle you are considering? Which triangle you are considering, children? ABE. That means tan 45 degree equal to what it is? Tan 45 degree equal to AB. Tan 45 degree equal to AB divided by BE, which is equal to AB divided by BF plus FE. Got it? Now, AB divided by R plus 7. Now, what is 45 degree value? You know, right? 1. Which is equal to AB is nothing but AB is nothing but what? AD plus BD, AD plus BD, right? AD plus BD divided by R plus 7. Now what is AD? AD is H. What is your BD? That is R divided by R plus 7. Now you cross multiply. R plus 7 equal to H plus R. In between equal. The coefficient as well as the sign are same. Coefficient of R is 1 positive. Here also coefficient of R is 1 positive. So you can cancel directly. Then H is equal to 7 what? Meter. H is equal to 7 meter. Got it? What is H? Height of the flagpole. That only they are asking to find. Right children? Say yes or no? Yes. Height of the flagpole equal to height of the flagpole equal to 7 meter. Then what they are expecting? Radius also they are expecting, right? In triangle, in triangle, BDC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Then what is your tan 30 degree equal to, what is your opposite side? BD. What is your adjacent? BC. What is children? BD divided by BC. It is equal to, see the diagram. 1 minute I will show the diagram. I'm going to scroll up, you listen carefully. BC. Which triangle I consider? BDC. Right? Opposite by adjacent. Now, what is BC? BC is nothing but R plus 7 plus 5. That is BF plus FE plus EC. Got it, children? That's why I'm scrolling up. What is BC? You want to know, right? R plus 7 plus 5. BD. BD is nothing but R plus 7 plus 5. Now tan 30 degree 1 by 3 equal to R divided by R plus 7 plus 5. See, you should understand. For that purpose I am going slowly, children. You have to listen carefully. Be attentive in the class, right? Now 12 plus R equal to R root 3. Now 12 equal to R, you should take it as common, root 3 minus 1, which is equal to R into 1 point. Root 3 value is given to you as 1.732. That you are going to substitute 1.732 minus 1. Then what is your R now? 12 equal to 0.732 R. R equal to 12 divided by 0.732, right? Which is equal to 16.39 meter, right? You have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000, right? Divide by what? I will show you the division part, right? 12,000 divided by 732. How many times 732? One time. So 7, 3, 2, 3, here 6, then it becomes 11, 4. What is children? Now you have to take 0. You have to check how many times. 5 times or 6 times. 6 sevens are 42. So it is possible. 6 times. 14, sorry, 12, remaining 1, 18, 19, remaining 1, 42, 43. What is children? 8. Here, 17. 17 minus 9. What can you get? 17 minus 9, 8. Here, 5. So, 2. Then you bring down 0. How many times? 3 times. Got it? Say yes or no? Say yes or no, children? 12,732. 1 0. So, you are bringing one more 0. Point. 3 times. Got it? 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 21. Then how to subtract? Then what can you get? 4. Here again 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6, 8, 4 is there. So there is a chance you can multiply with 9. Right? 9 you have to put here. 9 twos are, you have to put 0. Okay, after the decimal you have to add 0. 9 nines, 9 8, 9 twos are 18, remaining 1, 27, 28, remaining 2, 63, 65. Like that it will go on. What is children? 2, here 13, 5, here 2. Again how many times it will go? 3 times. So we are restricting up to 2 decimals. So 16.39. Therefore, radius of the pole equal to 16.39 meter. Right? Again, I am going to explain, children. You have to listen carefully. 1 minute. The division and all you should do it in the right side. Right? Let AD be the height of the pole and BD be the radius of the dome and BF, that is also radius of the dome, right? The end point of the dome is F. From the end point you are moving away 7 meter. That's why that point FE I label it 7 meter. EC they given us 5 meter, right? From the point C to D the angle is 30 degree. E to A, that is top of the flag, that is 45 degree. In triangle ABE, AB divided by BE. AB divided by BE can be written as BF plus FE or plus 7. Then tan 45 degree value you know that is 1. So 1 equal to AB can be written as AD plus BB. So AD H dB R. So what we wrote? R plus H divided by R plus 7. We arrived the result is height of the pole is 7 meter. Then I consider a triangle BDC, angle B equal to 90 degree. Then I can apply the trigonometry as tan 30 degree, BD divided by BC. BC is nothing but BF plus FE plus EC. So R plus 7 plus 5 or plus 12. Then 12 plus R equal to R root 3. 12 equal to R into root 3 minus 1. You arrived R into 0.732. Then R equal to 12 divided by 0.732. When you divide, you arrive the result as 16.39. Therefore, radius of the pole equal to 16.39 meter. Got it, children? Say yes or no? Thank you, children. Tomorrow we will continue. You have to go through all the 6 questions. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I will explain again. Got it, children? Once again, thank you, children.